Hello everyone! Today, Ping Mei will take you on a fun-filled adventure, hunting for the precious gifts that nature has to offer. We'll journey into a cool, refreshing forest and seek out delicious and nutritious mushrooms. Join Ping Mei on this exciting exploration. Oh my, the forest is so beautiful, the air is fresh and cool. Ping Mei feels like she's one with nature. Wow, this mushroom looks so special. The cap is a bright yellow, it looks so delicious. Look at that! What a beautiful wildflower! The colors are so vibrant, adding to the beauty of the forest. Ping Mei feels so happy to see such beautiful scenery.
但是还没熟，应该下个月又可以来。哎呦，哎呦，哪个？哇，这儿多大了！哇，我的天呐，我有点激动。
Fantastic! Ping Mei found another type of mushroom.
这儿有个。哎呀，多烂了，可惜了。这儿我在路边的小可爱，我和腿烂。这好像是遭人讨论甩过呀！哇！天哪，我今天回不及了，好多！没有，啥子多就3个。一堂路线，哦，这儿还有一个。你加入深圳气息。哇，你看一窝车那么多，真是！你跟我说晚上我回不及了，我不走了，回去。这个又来了，我几个是啥子啊？叶子上面长蘑菇啊，还是长蘑菇？这个是这个吧？叶子，这是啥子？这个叶子上面长啥子多？看这个是这个，这3个啥子？哇，这啥子神仙地方啊，还有马？好多样的，这怎么办呢？
Oh, this horse is so cute. It's happily munching on grass, just like a little puppy. Ping Mei harvested a good amount of mushrooms. These are the valuable gifts nature has bestowed upon us. Ping Mei hopes this mushroom hunting adventure brings you joy and fulfillment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next explorations.